तो बिल्कुल शूट करने का मन नहीं है यार, बट लेट्स डू इट। Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Ashling Stories, where we sit together, vibe together, and talk about things that can enhance our lifestyle. I am Akansha, and in today's video, we are going to talk about 5 self-care rituals that you should inculcate in your lifestyle. Now, these rituals are something that I have inculcated in my life over a long period of time, and they have actually helped me grow spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. So I think they are going to help you in the same way. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first and foremost ritual that I follow is meditation. Now I know everyone talks about meditation. आपको already बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ पता है meditation के बारे में. Every YouTuber, every personal development guru talks about meditation. I don't want to be another one to just bombard you with a lot more information. But let's be honest, we all know about meditation, but how many of us actually inculcate meditation in our real life? Very few. Like, we don't do it very consistently even if we try. So the real baseline is that you have to do it very consistently. In fact, मुझे भी meditation के बारे में 3-4 साल पहले ही पता चल गया था, back when I was in my second year, and अब मैं final year में आ गई हूँ, so it was before 3-4 years. And उस time पे भी like I was not doing it very consistently. मतलब मैं try करती थी, but it was very hard for me to do it very consistently. दिमाग में इतने thoughts आते रहते थे ना कि मेरा mind बिल्कुल ही divert हो जाता था, और बिल्कुल भी meditation में दोबारा से I was not able to focus on my breathing and stuff. So मेरे लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा difficult था. It was like in the last year only when I started doing it very consistently. Last year maybe I think 3-4 months से ही मैं बहुत ज़्यादा consistent हूँ. But at the same time, like I knew about meditation from a really long time. So इवन इफ यू आर अ पर्सन जिसको आपको पता है मेडिटेशन क्या होता है, बट आपने स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, देन स्टार्ट डूइंग इट टुडे. बहुत ज़्यादा एम रखने की जरूरत नहीं कि यार मैं तो एकदम 20 मिनट मेडिटेशन करूंगा. जस्ट स्टार्ट विद 5 मिनट मेडिटेशन. देयर आर सो मेनी रिसोर्सेज आउट देयर टू हेल्प यू विथ मेडिटेशन, you know, like there are guided meditation, there are certain apps that you can use. So I link all those resources in the description box below. There are few guided meditations that I actually go back to like very often, and at the same time there are few apps that I also use. So I link all of those in the description box below. You can check it out. But start inculcating meditation in your life. Now होगा क्या इससे? I have like seen a massive changes in my mind and how I feel, because like last month have been very very hectic for me. Like I have been like struggling with time management and stuff. मुझे YouTube भी करना है, मुझे like college में भी ध्यान देना है, and there are so many things going on behind the scenes. At the same time, I have made sure that to inculcate meditation in my like daily routine religiously, and it is helping me in the right direction. Like I feel more calm and more controlled and more composed. कभी कभी ऐसा दिन होता है when I'm like very like feeling really very low and I'm not like at my best and I'm not feeling very energetic and stuff. I take my breaks on those days, but I make sure that I'm doing at least 10-minute meditation. So highly recommend you to do that. If there's one thing that you should pick up from this entire video, it has to be meditation. I cannot emphasize more on this topic, but let's get started with this meditation thing. Let's inculcate this in your life, and please start doing meditation. It will really help you. The next self-care ritual that I religiously follow is reading. I think that you should always remain a student of life, and you should always keep learning and keep growing. And the best source of learning is books. I have seen a lot of difference in myself as well when I started reading non-fiction books. Now you don't have to start with non-fiction. I was never into fictional books. In fact, गिन के मैंने 3 या 4 fiction books पढ़ी होंगी, अगाथा क्रिस्टी की, एनी ब्लिटन की, and only few authors. I got into non-fiction books pretty early on. And if you're not into non-fiction books, you can start with fiction books. In fact, you can pick any topic that you are interested in. You can start with cricket books, you can start with football books, you can start with space, astronomy, whatever topic that you are interested in. But try and eventually come to non-fiction books, because that's where all the wisdom lies. There are so many things written in a single book. And I think the best part about books is that there are so many authors talking about single topic. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इस author से connect नहीं कर रहे हो, then there are other authors that you will easily connect to. And that's what I love about books, क्योंकि एक book में you get to learn so many things. But if you think that this is not like you are not connecting with this book, you can easily pick another book on the same topic and learn from that. And that's what I actually really like about books. There are so many resources out there. There are so many authors talking about similar issues, and you get to learn so many things. Like I cannot emphasize more on how much you can learn from a single book. And you don't have to just like, if you're not a kind of a person who is into books, there are so many other resources. You can opt for Kindle, या फिर there are audiobooks available, and अब तो YouTube channels में there are book clubs जो मतलब कि books की summary बना करके देते हैं. There are podcasts related to books, so you can see and pick and choose whatever fits you. but I'm kind of a person who actually like to like grab a book physically and like read page by page. I'm not into audiobooks, I'm not into Kindle. मुझे वो physical हाथ में पकड़ के book पढ़ने में बहुत मज़ा आता है। And I think कि आपने एक बार book पढ़ लिया ना, then you can eventually even reread those books. इनफैक्ट कुछ बुक है जो मैंने 2-3 साल पहले पढ़ी थी एंड इस साल जनवरी में मैंने उन्हें रीरीड किया। इनफैक्ट बिग मैजिक मैंने 1-2 साल पहले पढ़ी थी एंड आई थॉट कि बिकॉज़ लाइक आई एम गेटिंग इनटू creativity and starting a YouTube channel and stuff, I was kind of attracted to that book again. And अब जब मैंने वो दोबारा से वो बुक पढ़ी ना, I just learned so many new things जो मैंने पहले नोटिस नहीं किया था. So there are so many things written in a book, and I think you should keep rereading your books and just start implementing those things in your life. It will change your life. It will eventually help you a lot. Cannot emphasize more on books, but start reading. Next self-care ritual that I would recommend is skincare. Now I'm not sure if you saw that coming or not, बट फॉर मी स्किन केयर इज़ अ रिचुअल. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तब रिचुअल नहीं था, तब इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रीटमेंट फॉर माई एक्ने. बट recently, in fact not recently, for the past 5-6 years now, I have been doing skincare very religiously. In fact, I make sure that I'm doing my morning skincare and evening skincare no matter what. इनफैक्ट अगर अभी भी जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है, मैं रज़ाई में हूँ, एकदम मस्त सोने का टाइम हो रखा है, कोज़ी हो रखी हूँ, बस नींद आने ही वाली है, तब अगर मुझे याद आएगा कि मैंने अपना नाइट रूटीन नहीं किया, आई विल गेट आउट ऑफ माई बेड एंड मेक श्योर दैट आई डू इट. That's how religiously I follow, and in fact you should follow it too. You know, your face is an area which is the most exposed part of your body, and you have to take care of it. कितना झेलता है यार बेचारा, मतलब pollution, sun damage, there are so many things that your skin goes through. So it's better that you take care of it. And ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यार 10 step Korean skincare करोगे, Japanese skincare करोगे, इन सब चीज़ों की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just start with basic 2-minute ritual. Just apply a cleanser, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen. That's it. In fact, toner skip करना है skip कर दो. Just apply cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's all you need. In fact, there are so many people out there who doesn't use a sunscreen, but start using a sunscreen. Your skin will thank you 5 years down the line. So make sure that you are like taking care of your skin, you are taking care of your body. Really, really helped me a lot. In fact, अब तो मेरे लिए therapy type का हो गया. I just do it and I really enjoy my pamper session whenever I'm doing it. मेरे लिए एकदम थेरेपेटिक है, मेरे लिए आई रियली फील नाइस एंड लाइक आई रियली फील गुड व्हेनेवर आई एम डूइंग इट. Eventually it will come to you as well, but at the beginning level, start with just 2 minute or maybe 5 minute skincare ritual. That's all you need. You don't have to do a lot, but start doing skincare and start taking care of your skin every morning and every night. Make sure that you do that. Next self-care ritual that I would recommend is practicing gratitude. And this is the only form of journaling that I follow. I don't do other kind of journaling, but I just pick a pen and a paper and I write 5 things that I'm grateful for. Start तो मैंने उससे भी कम से किया था. I just used to write 3 things every single day, everything that I'm grateful for, just 3 things. And up to like I tend to write even more than that. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं चलता 10 से ज़्यादा चीज़ें लिख ली होती हैं. And that's what happens when you practice gratitude journaling, you know. As much as you start appreciating things in your life, you tend to appreciate a lot more than you used to before. In fact, मैंने starting में ना मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि मैं क्या लिखूँ अपने gratitude journaling में. And I just used to like write very basic things that I'm grateful for the shelter over my roof, I'm grateful for the food that I ate today, just basic things. And that's when I started noticing कि there are so many more things that I could be grateful for. And वो कब 3 चीज़ें कब वो 12-13 चीज़ों में बदल गई पता ही नहीं चला. And that's the only kind of journaling that I do, but it has helped me a lot. In fact, it makes you appreciate little things in your life. In fact, छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों पे you tend to find gratitude in them, and it will actually help you a lot later on. You won't feel the difference in the immediate 5-10 days, but you will eventually feel the difference in a month or 2 when you do it very consistently. And दिन में एक बार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है यार. You can do it like multiple times a day. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बार पेन पेपर लेकर के बैठो. मैंने ना अपने फ़ोन में एक ऐसे पेज नोट्स बना करके रखे हैं. उसमें आई हैव रिटन few things that I'm always grateful for, and I just go through them whenever I'm like opening my phone, and just मैंने widgets वगैरह भी ऐड कर रखे हैं जिसमें हम लिखा हुआ है कि I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that. It remains on my screen. It helps me mentally and it makes me feel good and calm and composed. So these are the things that you can do as well. So but I really recommend you to start practicing gratitude. It will change a lot of things in your life. We are finally at the last leg of our video, and the final self-care ritual that I would recommend is embracing your creative side. We are human beings and we are meant to be creative, but I have seen so many people behaving as a robot. सुबह 9 to 5 जॉब करेंगे, शाम को आएंगे, खाएंगे, सो जाएंगे. स्टूडेंट है तो सुबह स्कूल जाएंगे, ट्यूशन जाएंगे, रिविजन करेंगे, होमवर्क करेंगे, सो जाएंगे. That's not how our life is supposed to be. We are meant to be creative, and you should hone in on your creative side. Now, the reason that I recommend this is because creativity helps you to disconnect from your normal lifestyle. जो सुबह जो तुम्हारा ऐसे messed up schedule चलता रहता है, कुछ भी ऐसे जो routinely चलता आ रहा है ना, it helps you disconnect from that, and it will help you like be calm and composed. And the reason that I'm pretty sure about is because I myself have been like surrounded with creative people around me. I have friends who are interested into gardening, who is interested into mandala art, who is interested into painting. मेरे पापा, he is interested into gardening. My mother and my brother, both of them are interested into cooking. And I've seen so much happiness that all of these creative things bring to their life. And that's why I'm sure that it is going to help you as well. So start embracing your creative side. There are so many hobbies, there are so many things out there for you to explore. You can start with learning an instrument. Maybe you can start with basic painting. कुछ भी चीज़ें कर सकते हो यार, गार्डनिंग कर सकते हो. There are so many things out there for you to explore, but start embracing your creative side. It will actually really help you. It will help you disconnect from your normal lifestyle. That's why I highly recommend you to start getting into creativity and start honing in your creative side and start like experiment new things and just see how it grows and how it helps you, and like just figure it out yourself. I'm sure it is going to help you. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any self-care ritual that you are going to pick up from this video. Also, if there's any self-care ritual that you follow, then put them down in the comments below as well. Let's see how varieties of self-care rituals we can have. And I hope you like this video. If you did, then please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and I wish to see you in the next one. Bye. With reading and I touch wood. जब मैंने शुरू करना स्टार्ट किया था